Hi, you're welcome back to the Dearoneworld channel, and if this is your first time, please subscribe and hit the notification button. My name is Hannah Ijike, your favorite coach, and today I'll be sharing with you how to develop a reading culture. We're in a world where the reading culture has gone very low. Everybody is now on TikTok, Instagram, YouTube. They're doing one thing or the other, and you're wondering why depression comes in, wondering why you're having poor sleeping habits, you're wondering why the inspiration to write is no longer there, and so on and so forth. Before I start to tell you how to develop a reading culture, I will tell you 10 benefits of reading. Number 1, it improves your brain connectivity. That means it helps you to understand better. Number 2, it increases your vocabulary and comprehension. Number 3, it helps you to empathize with others. Number 4, it fights depression symptoms. Number 5, it increases your imagination and creativity. Number 6, it improves your memory and concentration. Number 7, it simply enhances your knowledge. Number 8, it helps you to sleep well. Number 9, it is another form of entertainment. And number 10, if you're a writer, it helps you to write better. So now, how to develop a reading culture. You can start by setting a reading goal to read a set number of books within a period of time. If you want to avoid missing your reading target, you should watch my video on 2 major ways to hit your goals easily every year. Also, there are apps that can further your reading goals, like the bookworm app and the bookly app. Another way to improve your reading culture is by writing a list of books you want to read. Like here, I have 4 books to read. I have the Prejudice by Emmanuel Ikechukwu. You have The Power of Focus by Canfield, Mark Victor Hansen, and Les Hewitt. You have The 5 Love Languages by Gary Chapman. And you have the I Believe in Miracles by Catherine Kuhlman. If you do not have the hard copies of the books you want to read, you can search online on Google and buy them. Next is you schedule a time for reading. I would advise that you read just before your sleep time and also after your personal time in the morning. It has a lot of benefits. First, as we have said, for benefits, it improves your creativity and imagination. That's for the mornings, and then for the evenings, it helps you to sleep. The next is carry your book everywhere you go. I know roughly 10 years ago, there was this widespread of the adage, that saying that says readers are leaders. And so you see everybody carrying books somewhere, holding book. And then they love that impression of, that impression that it had on people when you carry a book and they're like, wow, this guy is a leader because he's with a book to read. But then people wasted their time because they were not reading and ended up not improving themselves. People thought that they were leaders, but they were not reading. But in this case, you have set a reading goal and you'll be compelled more to read because you have a book in your hand. Another way is to keep your book at a strategic place to remind you to hit your goals for reading. Another thing is eliminating distractions like the TV and the notification on your smartphones. The best way to do this is to switch off your TV and put your phone on silent mode to avoid interruptions while reading. Next is get a reading partner or someone who can keep tabs on your reading goals. This way it will enable you to read more and be motivated to read. You know, a lot of us are social beings and we love to do things with other people. Okay, let me pause here and encourage you today by giving you a free copy of my book on self-affirmation, Say It Today. You can download the free copy by clicking on the link in the description. Also, if you're wondering where to start in creating a list of books to read, you can click on the link below in the description and download the list of my books that you can read. Now, this is for someone who is having a hard time reading a book. You can start by reading just 1 page a day. Another way to begin a reading culture is by reading books with very few pages. This way, you overcome the anxiety that comes with reading volumes of books. If you love this video, please like, comment, and share to a friend.